Hello, everybody. Welcome back to channel Best Woodworking. Bamboo cultivation has blossomed into a multi-billion-dollar industry, fueled by the rising global demand for bamboo products. From construction materials to furniture, textiles, and eco-friendly alternatives, bamboo is celebrated for its versatility, sustainability, and rapid growth. The process of propagating and cultivating bamboo plants, particularly in nurseries, plays a crucial role in meeting this demand. Propagation typically begins with the separation of small bamboo shoots, also known as offshoots, from a larger bamboo clump. These shoots are carefully extracted to avoid damaging the parent plant and are then soaked in water to promote hydration and root development. This soaking period can last anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days, depending on the bamboo species and its needs. After soaking, the shoots are placed in nutrient-rich potting soil, which is essential for encouraging healthy root growth. The young bamboo plants are kept in a moist environment, receiving regular watering to maintain the damp conditions required for successful establishment. At this stage, consistent care is critical, as proper watering ensures the bamboo remains well hydrated without becoming waterlogged. As the bamboo seedlings begin to grow roots and sprout new leaves, they are ready to be transplanted into the ground. Here, they continue to grow under natural conditions, where they can eventually reach maturity. With time, mature bamboo plants provide valuable raw materials that support a wide range of industries. Given its fast growth rate and low maintenance requirements, bamboo continues to be a highly profitable and eco-friendly crop, with immense potential for future growth. The bamboo industry relies on the cultivation and harvesting of hundreds of thousands of bamboo trees every year. Bamboo, a fast-growing and sustainable resource, is typically harvested once it reaches maturity, ensuring it regenerates quickly without causing long-term environmental harm. When the time is right, skilled workers carefully cut down each bamboo tree, taking special care to preserve its integrity for the next stage of processing. Once harvested, the bamboo is bundled and prepared for transportation. This involves precision and attention to detail, as the bamboo must remain in excellent condition to be efficiently processed into various products, from furniture and flooring to textiles and paper. The workers often transport the bamboo to nearby processing plants, where it undergoes further refinement. At these plants, the raw bamboo is transformed into useful materials, providing livelihoods for communities and supplying an eco-friendly alternative to more resource-intensive products. The entire process is a delicate balance between maximizing the use of bamboo's natural qualities and maintaining sustainable practices to protect the environment for future generations. This ongoing cycle of cultivation, harvesting, and processing makes bamboo an essential component in many industries, particularly as consumers and companies alike seek greener, more sustainable alternatives. In a bustling bamboo factory, the air is filled with the sharp, rhythmic sounds of machines slicing through bamboo trees. These majestic trees, having grown for years in forests, are now transformed into raw materials for a wide array of bamboo handicrafts. The factory is a hub of activity where the essence of bamboo is artfully shaped, split, and prepared for different forms of artisanal products, particularly bamboo mats and woven goods. The first step in this intricate process involves cutting the bamboo into manageable pieces. As workers guide the bamboo through precision machinery, the once whole trees are carefully cut down into smaller sections, each piece measured and sorted meticulously. It's a sight to behold, as the long bamboo stalks are reduced to uniform sizes, awaiting the next stage in their journey. Sorting is one of the most critical tasks in this process. Once cut, the bamboo pieces are divided based on their intended use. Some will be destined for delicate bamboo handicrafts, while others are earmarked for robust bamboo mats. The workers' eyes are keen, trained through years of experience to recognize the subtle differences in bamboo quality. Bamboo intended for weaving purposes is often softer and more pliable, making it easier to manipulate, while bamboo designated for mats is sturdier, needing to endure the pressure of being flattened into sheets. For the bamboo that is to become woven goods, such as baskets or intricate handicrafts, the process of splitting comes next. These bamboo pieces are fed into machines or manually split by skilled workers who expertly break the bamboo down into smaller, thinner strips. Each strip is examined for imperfections, and only the finest slivers are selected for weaving. These strips are known for their flexibility and strength, perfect for creating durable and attractive products. The process of preparing bamboo for mats is somewhat different, but no less fascinating. Larger bamboo pieces are taken to a special section of the factory where they are split into even smaller chunks, sometimes as narrow as a few centimeters wide. These pieces will go through several stages of flattening, drying, and treating to make them suitable for mat production. Bamboo mats are not only functional but also represent a traditional craftsmanship that has been honed over generations. Their versatility makes them a popular choice for flooring, wall coverings, and even decorative purposes. Once the bamboo is cut into small pieces and prepared for mat production, the next stage involves weaving the pieces together. This is a complex process that requires both patience and precision. The bamboo strips must be laid out in a way that ensures each piece is aligned perfectly, without any gaps or overlaps. This attention to detail is what makes bamboo mats so durable and aesthetically pleasing. Even the slightest misstep can compromise the quality of the final product, so workers take great care to ensure that every mat is crafted with utmost precision. After the weaving is complete, the bamboo mats are subjected to additional treatments to enhance their durability and appearance. The mats are often treated with a natural varnish or polish to bring out the natural beauty of the bamboo, while also protecting it from wear and tear. This finishing touch not only makes the bamboo mats more resilient, but also gives them a lustrous sheen that appeals to consumers. The finished bamboo mats are truly a sight to behold. With their sleek lines and intricate weaves, they are not just functional items, but works of art in their own right. Consumers appreciate the beauty and craftsmanship that go into each mat, knowing that they are purchasing something that is both sustainable and stylish. Bamboo mats, with their natural look and feel, complement a variety of interior designs, from minimalist to rustic, adding a touch of nature to any space. How bamboo straws are made by Plastic Lascaux. At Plastic Lascaux, the process begins with carefully selecting the bamboo, ensuring the stems are of the right size and quality. Once chosen, the stems are cut into equal pieces to form the straws. Next comes trimming, where each straw is smoothed out to eliminate rough edges, ensuring they are comfortable for sipping. After trimming, the straws undergo a thorough drying process to remove moisture and prevent mold, which also enhances durability. Once dried, each straw is inspected for quality and then cleaned. Finally, the straws are neatly packaged in recyclable plastic-free materials, ready to be shipped to customers. Every step of the process, from harvesting to packaging, is done with a focus on reducing plastic waste and promoting environmental responsibility. By choosing bamboo straws from Plastic Lascaux, consumers can enjoy a sustainable alternative to single-use plastics, contributing to a healthier planet. How to produce bamboo plywood panels. Step 1. Cut the bamboo info segments with different inks. Step 2. Chop the bamboo segments info slices. Step 3. Remove the nodes and shape the bamboo slices. Step 4. Boil with salt to eliminate nutrients, sugar, and termite eggs in bamboo. Step 5. Dry until the humidity less than 10%. After faking out and balancing, the humidity will reach about 14%. Step 6. Accelerate carbonization to color and bung thoroughly the sugar and nutrients remaining in bamboo. Step 7. Chop the bamboo slices to have the standard size and fineness. Step 8. Next, classify bamboo slices info 3 group based on the quality. Group A, good color, no dents, no bruise, sharp edges, good shape, used for the main surface. Group B, have the same quality as Group A but have dents or bruise, used for the back side. Group C, the others, use the core. Step 9, glue the bamboo slices together. The glue used is melamine glue, made in Malaysia according E3 standard. Step 10. Apply bamboo slices, surface, pedestal, and core together. Then the product is hot pressed at a temperature of 120 to 150 degrees Celsius. Step 11. Apply and laminate the panes like apply the bamboo slices. We can apply 10 panels each time. Average weight of bamboo panel after pressing, 800 kilograms, 1 cubic meter. Step 12. Cut the edge of the panel to have the standard size. Step 13. Rasp and smooth the panel on standard size. Bamboo knot skewers are made from natural bamboo, cut into thin strips. These strips are smoothed and shaped into skewers of varying lengths. At one end, a decorative knot is tied by looping and securing the bamboo, giving it its distinctive appearance. The knots are not only aesthetic but also provide better grip when handling the skewers. After knotting, the skewers are dried, polished, and sometimes treated to ensure durability, making them ideal for grilling or serving appetizers. Zavi's Green, crafting vibrant bamboo bowls. At Zavi's Green, we combine traditional craftsmanship with sustainable practices to create stunning bamboo bowls. Our process begins by selecting the finest bamboo, known for its strength and eco-friendly properties. The bamboo is then carefully spun into shape by skilled artisans, ensuring each bowl is unique. Once shaped, our bowls undergo a meticulous coloring process. Using only natural plant-based dyes, we bring out vibrant hues that complement the bowl's organic texture. Each color is thoughtfully chosen to reflect the beauty of nature, making the bowls not only functional but also a work of art. Perfect for serving or display, Zavi's Green bamboo bowls are a sustainable alternative to plastic and ceramic options. Lightweight, durable, and beautifully crafted, they're a statement piece for any home. By choosing Zavi's Green, you're supporting ethical production and contributing to a greener planet, one bowl at a time.